All right, Lori, for our customers who are currently on Episerver, even maybe some prospects that we've been actively working with to date on a potential Episerver solution, now Optimizely, what would you say to them?
Yeah, so I think for customers, the first question, and actually I've talked to a few this week who are like, well, so what does this mean for me? And the good news is this is positive. You're not losing anything. You have the same product that you bought, you have today. That's not changing. Episerver is not getting out of the, or now Optimizely is not getting out of the CMS and commerce business. That's not a sign of any like change in their priority. They remain committed to serve you. Really, this is good news around as an organization, they're able to align themselves in a way to focus their efforts to improving on the service that they're providing to customers through this rebranding effort, both because that they'll be able to focus their efforts from a brand perspective, also because as they unite their organization, they're thinking really creatively about how they enable the customers that have leveraged their CMS and commerce products to be leveraging these optimization capabilities.
I'm going to quote one of my favorite musicals slash soundtracks right now, but they will never be satisfied for you Hamilton fans out there. So when you look at a couple years ago, Episerver gets acquired by a venture capitalist group, Insight, and then moving forward here, they've continued to make acquisitions and improve the platform and think strategically on how they can grow into this space and compete with some of the more enterprise type solutions. And I just think this is really a testament to that vision and this concept of innovation and wanting to continue to grow the platform out. And so, again, for customers, if you're on Episerver, I would be excited about the idea that you've selected a platform that is going to, continue to live out that word and not just be satisfied with where they're at, but continue to improve and innovate and grow. And for those who are, in the process of looking at the platform and maybe saw this news and started to question, is this something we want to be touching right now? The answer is yes, you should be looking at it because, Episerver is clearly making waves and they're ready to take some significant steps up in the market and start competing with some of those bigger platforms, the Adobes of the world. And yeah, it's just really exciting.
Very exciting. I agree.